Hello students, today we will discuss about the concepts of atomic orbitals. In your lower classes, you studied that electrons revolves around the nucleus in a circular path. But when later on many theories were given like quantum theory, like uncertainty principle and all, then later on new assumptions were there, not assumptions I can say, but actually it was proved that electrons are not rotating in a circular path, but there are electron clouds which are present around the nucleus, and the area where the maximum probability of finding electrons are there, they are known as atomic orbitals. And now we have to see they are not only containing orbits or orbitals, various type of orbitals are there. So first of all, we have to discuss about the three terms. Probability. The second term is electron cloud, and the third atomic orbital. First we'll see this probability. What is probability? Probability means the chances of presence of electrons, that area where the possibility or the probability of finding electron is maximum. If this is nucleus, and as it is said that the electrons revolves in circular, तो ये वो एरिया है जहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के होने की मैक्सिमम चांसेस है, एंड दैट इज नोन एज प्रोबेबिलिटी. The second is electron cloud. Here no exact circular path is present around the nucleus, but the cloud-like structure is there, and that is known as electron cloud. The cloudy area, the region around the nucleus where the possibility of finding electron is maximum, that area is known as electron cloud. Third term, atomic orbitals. Orbitals are orbit, they are containing suborbits. These are of different types: S, P, D, F, G. Various type of suborbits are there, and they are known as atomic orbitals. Now let us discuss about the differences between orbits and orbitals. So in short, I can explain it to you that suppose this is nucleus and this is one orbit and this is second orbit. Okay, that means if one orbit is there, it can contain suborbits also. If this is the second orbit, then this is the first orbit which is containing one another orbit also. So that is known as orbital. Got it? Now we'll see the differences, and in detail we'll study them. In order to understand orbitals, we have to see the differences of orbitals with orbit, then it is okay. Orbit and orbitals. Let us see. According to Niels Bohr's theory, you have seen that there are total 7 shells. Maximum number of 7 shells are present in an atom. First of all, orbits, well defined circular path, and whereas the orbitals are 3-dimensional. Space around the nucleus. The second point, total 7 orbits are there. You can name them, that is K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. 7 orbits are there. But there are total S, P, D, F, G orbitals are there. 5 orbitals are there. The concept of orbit, third point, it is not according to the wave character. Concept is not according to wave character of electrons. Whereas the concept of orbitals was according to wave character, then uncertainty principle, both are involved here. That's why the concept of orbitals were introduced. All orbitals are circular. All orbitals from K to Q all are circular. Whereas different orbitals are having different shapes. Different shapes. If we discuss S, that is spherical. P, it is dumbbell. D, that is double dumbbell, etc. Each orbital is having totally different shape. Orbits, they do not have any directional characteristic. No directional characteristic. Whereas different orbitals are having different shapes as well as directional characteristics are also there. The next very important point, that each orbit is having fixed number of electrons carrying capacity. So 2n square is the formula decides number of electrons in each orbit. Whereas in orbitals, every orbital contains only 2 electrons. Each orbital contains only 2 electrons. That is the concept. So this is the difference between atomic orbits and atomic orbitals. बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए. न्यूक्लियस के आसपास जो सर्कुलर शेल्स हैं वो आपके ऑर्बिट्स, लेकिन उन ऑर्बिट्स में भी जो सब शेल्स है दैट इज ऑर्बिटल. टोटल 7 ऑर्बिट्स होते हैं, लेकिन हर ऑर्बिट में सब ऑर्बिट्स हो सकते हैं. इन डिटेल विल स्टडी लेटर. फर्स्ट शेल डू नॉट कंटेन एनी सब शेल, whereas second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, they all contains subshells. There may be 2, 3, 4, many subshells will be there, and accordingly the electronic distribution has to be written. So the confusion that you studied in class 9th and 9th, okay, that electronic configuration of potassium is written as 2881 and calcium 2882 instead of 2809 or 2810. That will be cleared after studying the concept of atomic orbitals.